outfit for today. This one. Oh, my father is lost na. It's my outfit for today. This one. Shoes white and falda white and red top and red bag. This is my outfit for today. Okay. And my hair curly. Ayan, kinurly natin yan. Diba? Curly. Nan. Hindi pa ako kumain. Mamaya na ako kakain sa restaurant. Kasi birthday ng aking mother-in-law today. So, okay. Pupunta kami ng restaurant. Kakain kami. Ay, okay. Red shoes. Okay guys, bye guys.